Imagine if you could break away from the cycle of negative thinking, get better control over your emotions, and gain perspective on your life. Now imagine a simple and effective way to increase your self-confidence, improve your mood, and enhance your physical health. No, I'm not talking about a magic pill or a pricey gadget or an app. It's something you already have access to: a journal. Journaling is not just a hobby. It's a simple but powerful tool to heal your mind, body, and soul. It can help you analyze your triggers that create stress, find new ideas, accept yourself as you are, and even help you recover from trauma. Recently, I had the opportunity to interview legendary author and corporate leader Gurcharan Das on the sets of his upcoming course, Make a Life, Make a Living. One of the most surprising habits that he revealed was his dedication to blocking off hours for journaling daily. Mr. Das has been journaling daily for more than 20 years. So how can you start journaling and unleash your potential? I asked the legendary author. Here are his 9 powerful tips. Number 1 is to fix a regular time slot. Use this time to reflect on your experiences, write down your thoughts and ideas, and set goals for the day, month, or year ahead. Set a clear purpose of what you want to achieve with journaling. It will help you stay motivated to continue with this habit. Decide on the format. Some people use journaling as a form of self-reflection, while others use it to keep track of their daily activities, goals, or even accomplishments. Whether it's a pen and paper or a digital journaling app, choose one that most resonates with you. Use a prompt. In addition to providing a starting point for writing, prompts can also help to break through writer's block and provide inspiration when you're feeling stuck. Says the veteran writer. Maybe you set up an alarm, or you could also set up a reminder task for yourself. Anything that nudges you to start journaling daily. Write freely without inhibitions. Journaling is a process for self-reflection, meaning this is for you and your eyes only. When you do this, you tap into your innermost thoughts and feelings, allowing you to explore and process complex emotions that you may not have been able to articulate otherwise. Stay in the present. In addition to promoting mindfulness, writing about current experiences and emotions, it helps you to connect with others on a more authentic and relatable level. Write with gratitude in mind. Express appreciation for loved ones, or simply take a few moments to reflect on the good things in your life. When you practice gratitude regularly, it helps you feel more connected, fulfilled, and at peace with yourself and the world around you. Review and track your progress. Look for areas where you're making progress and areas where you're struggling. Use this information to make adjustments and stay on track. The Artist's Way, The Miracle Morning, The 5-Minute Journal. These are some of the best books on the topic that could help you deep dive even more. Lastly, make journaling a regular habit and stick with it, even on days when you don't feel like writing. Journaling is a powerful tool for unleashing your potential as an entrepreneur or a corporate leader or just a professional. So grab a journal and start writing today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned how journaling can transform your life in amazing ways. But what if you could take it a step further and learn how to make a life and make a living that aligns with your true self? That is exactly what Gurcharan Das, one of the most renowned authors and thinkers of our time, will teach you in his brand new course, Make a Life and Make a Living. In this course, you'll get access to Mr. Das' exclusive guidance on how to find more meaning in your life and build the life that you always dreamt of. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to learn from the best and create a fulfilling career and life that reflects your passions, values, and skills. The course is now live on Purple Coach, the ultimate online learning platform that will help you master new age skills and unleash your true potential with mentors who have achieved incredible success in their fields. So make sure to check out the link in the description to enroll in the course right now. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you for watching and happy journaling.